Today, I'll show you how to make Kake Udon, a simple but delicious udon noodle soup.
こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook.
Kake Udon, also known as Su Udon, is a basic udon noodle soup served in a savory dashi-based broth garnished with sliced green onions. If you want to make it vegan-friendly, check out the top right corner or link in the description box below.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to click the bell icon for new updates. Now let's get started.
To make noodle soup broth, let's prepare dashi. In a medium saucepan, add 2.5 cups water and 2 dashi packets. Start cooking over medium heat and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, shake the bags few times to release more flavor. Reduce the heat to medium-low, simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and discard the packet. Now add 1 tablespoon mirin, 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and pinch of salt. Bring the broth to gentle simmer. Once broth is simmering, remove it from the heat, cover, and set aside. Alternatively, you can quickly make the noodle soup broth with a bottle of concentrated noodle soup base called Mentsuyu or Tsuyu. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 1/3 cups water, 1/3 cup Mentsuyu, and 1 tablespoon mirin. Each brand of Mentsuyu has a different dilution ratio, so follow the bottle's instructions. For garnish, thinly slice the green onions diagonally. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Here's a trick. If you want to add some green on top of the noodle soup, blanch it before cooking udon noodles. Here, I add the stem of komatsuna or spinach first, as they require longer cooking time. Then add the leafy parts. Remove the greens and then add the 2 servings of udon noodles and cook according to the package instructions. Stir the noodles while cooking to loosen them up. When they are done cooking, drain and serve them in individual bowls. Pour the hot broth over the noodles and top with thinly sliced green onions. Now I'll show you how to make 4 variations. We'll start with the beef udon or Niku udon. Thinly slice the white part of the long green onion. Heat the frying pan on medium-high heat, and when it's hot, add 1 tablespoon oil. When the oil is hot, add 8 ounces of thinly sliced beef short ribs or chak. Cook the beef until almost no longer pink. Then add the white part of the long green onion and cook until tender. Add 2 teaspoons sugar and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Stir fry for 1 minute and transfer to a plate. To serve, pour the soup broth over the udon noodles. Place the beef on top and garnish with green onion. To make Kitsune udon, soak the dried wakame seaweed in water for 15 minutes to rehydrate. Then squeeze the water out. Open the package of inariage, seasoned fried tofu pouch. If you want to make this dish from scratch, click the top right corner or check the link in the description box below. Place the inariage on top of the udon noodle soup and garnish with wakame seaweed. Sprinkle shichimi tougarashi for a spicy kick. To make Onsen Tamago udon, crack 1 egg in a microwave-safe bowl. Cover the egg completely with water. Pierce the egg yolk with a toothpick or skewer to prevent it from bursting. Place the bowl at the edge of the microwave tray and cook for 90 seconds at half power or 500 to 600 watts. Remove the poached egg and set aside. Pour the hot soup broth over the udon noodles and place onsen tamago on top. Add tenkasu tempura scraps, blanched komatsuna, and green onion on top. for a spicy kick, sprinkle 七味唐辛子. Finally, let's make simple fish cake udon. Thinly slice kamaboko fish cake. Pour the hot soup broth over the noodles. Add the wakame seaweed, kamaboko fish cakes, Blanch komatsuna, and green onions. I also top with yuzu zest, which releases a nice fragrance. Enjoy!
Itadakimasu.
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!